Hey everyone, I am Dr. Tanushree. Today I am going to talk to you about some of the warning signs which your skin does give you, and we all must be ready to listen to them. So one of the most common things that we notice is the persistent dullness which sometimes our skin shows up. Sometimes when we wake up in the morning, we simply don't feel looking very fresh. We have sunken eyes, we feel that my skin is unnecessarily looking very tired, dull, even though I have woken up in the morning. So what does it say about our skin? Sometimes the same things point to us about very valuable changes in our lifestyle that is needed. Some things may be a good rest, drinking lots of water, and most importantly, choosing or deciding whether we are using the correct skincare products or not. While there are so many other ingredients which can be there in skincare products, but there are only a certain set of these products which are suitable for our skin type. Do we know them? Are we using them properly? Both are important to be seen. Another important thing that you may be noticed that of late your skin is looking very dry. You are using the right kind of or the same moisturizers that you were using all this while, but still it is extremely dry. It feels itchy sometimes. So what is an important thing to consider here is the skin barrier okay, it is intact, or am I doing something which is without repairing that barrier, it is in fact damaging it. So what we are supposed to do in this case is we are not supposed to use any harsh cleansers, double, triple cleansing, which is something which is a trend nowadays. We have to see what is suiting our skin, whether it's a balanced cleanser, whether it is something which is compatible with the pH of the skin, or we are overdoing certain kind of skincare routines because they are simply trending in the market. Another thing which we see at times is some breakouts, like for somebody who never had them or somebody who had them but they are having it more in quantities now. A very vital thing to remember here is this can be a sign of impending hormonal damage, some hormonal issues that your skin is going through, or you may be using some wrong kind of products which are occluding your skin and not letting your skin breathe free. It is also important to note here that there are a lot of ingredients which are marketed very commonly and we end up using them because they are the propaganda is very good about them. Most of them are having either essential oils which are blocking our skin or some aromatic oils which may be not suitable for our kind of skin, or there might be some stress factors which are playing on in our lives. So it's very important to break up what we are going through, see what is the product that our skin needs, the right kind of them, what will make our skin breathe free, and only use them. Lastly, does your skin feel persistently red whenever you are stepping out in the sun, even if you are using a sunscreen or you are not? Is it showing signs of irritability? This is something which is very, very vital and we tend to ignore for quite some time. This may be a sign of rosacea, some allergic reaction to a topical product which may be new in your life, or an old product causing a new reaction, or sometimes it is just a sensitization to certain environmental allergens. Now, skin being the largest organ in the body, we have to take cues from it and act accordingly. It is not wise to ignore it at any point of time. If you see any of the signs that we spoke about, please do consult your dermatologist. Do not self-medicate. Do not use any over-the-counter creams, especially the steroid creams. Understand from your dermatologist as to what exactly your skin needs, what it is going through, and then start your proper regimen.